Alright, papasok po na po tayo sa fourth quarter ng labanang ito ng Coca-Cola Tigers at ng Barangay Ginebra. Again, we'd like to greet all fathers all over. Happy Father's Day. Sana po ay masayang-masaya kayo ng inyong mga anak. At dito sa Araneta Coliseum, napakarami ang ganito mga eksena, no, ha? Nagbabanding ang mga mag-aama at nagkakatuwaan po at naaaliw. Ayun, kasama yung si Mr. Rudy Tan ng Burlington. At this is a great way, really, to spend Father's Day, no? Samahan ninyo ang inyong mga ama para mag-enjoy dito sa Araneta. Ito, magama ba ito? Si Magumarjun po yan, tsaka si Sunny Cabato. Sila po ang gumagawa ng ating radio coverage. Alright, Maya Pabengi po kay Kongan sa ating mga kaibigan dyan sa Pampanga, Tarlac, Central Luzon. Ito po ang fourth quarter ng labanan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Ed Pixon po kasama si Jason Webb mula rito sa sidelines ng Araneta at nagpapatintero ito si Copeland at saka si Paul Artadi.
Medyo natagalan pero kanina pa rin hawak ni Paul Artadi si Donald Copeland.
Ang taas pala ng boses doon sa Copeland. Andito kasi tapat natin, nadidilig ko, sumisigaw siya. Nahawakan daw siya ni Artadi. Ito, kumawala si Copeland. Oh, yun, nalibre. Simple. And Copeland has 15 in the game, and more importantly, he cuts the Ginebra lead down to only 9, 71-62. Junti Valenzuela.
Third quarter field goals on your screen. Yung Barangay, maganda pa rin ang field goal shooting nila. Naging problema lang nila ng third quarter, kaya nakahabol sandali yung Coca-Cola once their turnover.
Ano ito si Cabagnot? Floater by Alex Cabagnot. And don't look now, but Coca-Cola now within striking distance on the 12th point of Alex Cabagnot. The lead is down to 7 for Ginebra. And Caguas says, time for me to take over. Chris Alexander says, I'll complete it for you.
Chris Alexander, very quiet, but you have to block him out on the glass. May naging pagkakamali ito ni Asi Taulava. He went for the rebound, did not locate Chris Alexander. Masyado magaling na rebounder si Chris Alexander.
Copeland business from the outside. Ano ito si Junti Valenzuela to Paul Artadi. Mark Tagiwa, humihingi ng pasa. Against Macapagal. And a tap from behind. Well, alam natin, ito si Mark Macapagal. Matagal din sa Ginebra ito. Kaya magkakilala sila ni Tagiwa. And possibly the reason why Macapagal was assigned to Mark Tagiwa as well. Mukhang may problema si Tagiwa. Ay, si Macapagal. Medyo umika, palabas. Ayun. Nasaktan yata si Mark Macapagal. He might have twisted something there. And so Anis Di Maunahan is brought up. Here's Helterbrand. Labak kay Copeland. Helterbrand, sumaksak sa loob. Turn around. Wala. And foul is on Crisano.
Loose ball foul number 43, Alex Crisano.
First personal on Alex Crisano. We're at the second minute of the fourth quarter.
Right now, Coca-Cola trying to steal a couple of minutes. Pinagpapapahinga nila. Ito si Jason Dixon.
Wala na, bagsak si Cabagnot. Foul on Tagiwa. First personal.
Yung aggressiveness ng mga gwardya ng Barangay Ginebra, it's not only on the offensive end. It actually starts on the defensive end. Even though Mark Tagiwa got that foul, you can see na hinahabol niya talaga yung mga kabilang gwardya ng Coke.
Velasco natapigan ni Tubig. Nakuha ni Helterbrand to Cagiwa. Cagiwa, binigay kay Crisano, nagkandarapa para doon sa bola pero wala pa rin. Yun ang science building. I think Crisano's more embarrassed than hurt. Ito, makikita ninyo nangyayari. Si Caguwa decided to give it to Crisano. afternoon. 10 minutes to go in the game. Kabagnot. Wala. And J.J. Helderbrand with the rebound. Helderbrand met by Kabagnot. Cross-court to Junti. Valenzuela tumira sa labas. Malakas. And Crisano keeps it alive. To Alexander to Kagiwa. Kagiwa puts it up and he scores.
Second time around, Chris Alexander has gotten an offensive rebound this quarter. And alam mo, wala nang bumabox out kay Chris Alexander dito. And he's actually one of the biggest weapons of Barangay Ginebra. An extra possession, especially in the fourth quarter, is just huge.
11-point lead by Barangay Ginebra here in the fourth quarter with 9:27 remaining. We have this timeout.